What's going on, everybody? Isaac Darden here. I am going in for the animal health and behavior degree, and I'm gonna start off with my my first strong characteristic that belongs to the justice virtue, which is fairness. Here below, as you can see, it says treating all people the same according to notions of fairness and justice, not letting feelings bias decisions about others, giving everyone a fair chance. This is actually been a big part of who I am my whole life. I've always had the ability to see things from somebody else's point of view. Always wanted to get that perspective, to have a better understanding. This has aided me very well in just building rapport in any job that I've ever worked, in any kind of relationships that I've ever had. I believe that having the ability to do that creates a balance. So that's definitely something I agree with. And as far as going into my degree, animal health and behavior, you have that you have that thing where it's the balance between this human social world we're living in and the natural world. And the way I look at the natural world is that it deserves just as much attention and just as much love as the world that we've built for ourselves. And I think that when you have that, you have a better operating world. So the second one is going to be hope, which belongs to the virtue of transcendence. Hope kind of I guess that's a good way to segue. Is hope is something that I've always had, in the sense of like being able to visualize and see things that are possible, and so when I think about that fairness, I'm able to see the result, the ending result of creating that balance. And so when we talk about going into my future career, there's a lot of hope that I have that humans can coexist with the natural world. And in my mind, of course, we have to, in order to keep this thing we call life going. So hope is a good one. Probably my favorite one. The one that I think makes me, I think, different from all my, my peers and, just throughout my life, is the appreciation of beauty and excellence. And we were just talking about the natural world. I've always had just this deep poetic sense for, nature, animals and landscapes, trees, greenery. I'm the kind of guy who will, instead of going the fast route, I'll take the long scenic route, just to take all of it in. So, appreciation of beauty and then excellence. I've always been one to sit back and marvel at the kind of things that us human beings can do, right? There's so much that we've accomplished throughout, the history of our existence that is just, astonishing, really. And so, and then, appreciation of beauty and excellence, I don't know if I said this, belongs to the virtue of transcendence as well. So yeah, those are my three. I agree with all of them. They're actually all perfect, especially for, where I am in my life. Well, yeah, there it is. Thanks a lot for listening. You guys have a good one. Bye.